This is Project John Galt, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. John Galt is painted in full gloss Cornish cream with black accents. John Galt sits on 20-inch E.C.D custom wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, tubular A-bar front bumper with worn winch, rectangular LED spot lamps up front, and 2 at the rear. Inside, John Galt features a Momo Indy wood steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Recaro Sportster front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett, Bellissimo, Marzipan and Berkshire black leather, stitched together in black and beige. John Galt is powered by our 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 features an array of modern elements such as Infinity Kappa sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.